Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to launch control your BMW X7. First, ensure your engine is at its optimal operating temperature. This is crucial for performance and engine health. Next, select the Sport Plus driving mode, which prepares the vehicle for aggressive acceleration. Finally, fully deactivate the dynamic stability control system by pressing and holding the DSC button. This allows for maximum power delivery without electronic intervention. With the vehicle ready, firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot. Simultaneously, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot, pushing it past the kickdown point. Hold both pedals down. You will then see a Launch Control Active message displayed on your instrument cluster. Once this message appears, you are ready for the next step. Once Launch Control Active is displayed, quickly and completely release the brake pedal. Keep the accelerator pedal fully depressed. The vehicle will then launch with maximum power and optimal traction, managing gear shifts automatically. Experience the impressive acceleration while maintaining a firm grip on the steering wheel. Always ensure a safe and clear environment before performing a launch. Remember, launch control puts significant stress on your vehicle's drivetrain components. Use it sparingly to ensure longevity. Always perform launches in a safe, controlled environment, such as a closed track, and never on public roads. Ensure your tires are in good condition and properly inflated for optimal grip and safety. For any specific details, always refer to your BMW X7 owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.